So after you finish your snack, we're going to put the harness on, the carrier even, and we're going to go for a little walk around the block, Luna, to try and get you used to the outside world. Yeah. Is that nice? Is that yummy? Dental stick for your little teethies. Rio is having her morning breakfast. Aren't you, Rio? Yes. But she can't come for the walk. She doesn't do well with outside at all. Very scared, very scared. She's having a nice seedy breakfast, aren't you, Rio? Yes, and we've arranged for your beak to be trimmed, but unfortunately the vet can't do it the 10th of December. Oh yes, yes. Love-hate relationship with spoons. And all cutlery, basically. Yeah. Give us a kiss. Who's a pretty girl? Rio pretty? Okay, you eat your breakfast. Go on and do your exercise class. There we go. Look, look, Lou. What is this? Yes. She's doing quite willing, sort of. Come on. Get your back legs in it first. Are they in it? Yeah. There. Oh, okay, we have this. This is a good start, but your head has to come out, Luna. Your head can't stay in there. Luna, look. So busy trying to chew it. No. Oh, God. You want to go to sleep? Wait till we get outside first, at least. I won't do it too tight there. And then. Oh, yeah, that attaches to the collar, doesn't it? She's too busy. Look, the foot's out. No, your foot has to stay in, darling. Doesn't it? Luna, come here. From what you were, for sure. It could be the angle you're sitting at. I'm going to clip it on. And then put you on. Like so, Luna. Luna, wake up! I don't think she's liking this very much. Right, now get your foot in. I'm just trying to get the paw back in. I'm going to do it up a bit. Luna! There. We've got a floating head. How are you feeling, Luna? But once we get outside, here we go. Here we go. Not sad, look. Here we go. A nice walk. There we go. Doggies, yeah? Oh, your nose is going. you. Luna. Oops. This is a jogger, Luna. She's... Okay. There. That's a bit better. Oh, Luna. Luna. Who's that? Oh, there we go. Some other doggies. Some other doggies. There we go. And then we're gonna wait. That's a car. Yes. I know. She's shaking. You're shaking, aren't you? Ow. But you're a bit scared, aren't you? We go back to the house in a minute, just a few more minutes to get you used to being outside. Very nervous, aren't you? Should we sit down? Let's sit. Some behind us here. Oh, okay. Shall we go back? I think we go back. Come on. We go back. See, the air is out. It's nice fresh air this morning, nice and fresh. It's not raining. Here we go. Okay. Don't worry. Mummy's got you. Whoa. Mummy's got you. We're going to go back home now, I think. Just a little 5-minute walk. Just to get you used to being outside. Yeah. She's already got one leg out. But this is what she's like. She's very nervous outside, aren't you, Luna? It's okay. You have to get used to it. Oh, there we go. She's shaking now, guys. You're shaking, aren't you? We give you a nice toy when we get back home, I think. One of your new ones. One that you've not seen. A nice surprise toy. Yes. Okay. Oh, she's stopped shaking because I think she knows we're getting near. We're getting near home, aren't we? Yeah. Luna. Luna, look. So we've got some new toys to celebrate you going out. So sit. Luna. Sit. Waiting. Oh, sit. She's a bit nuts now. What's this? It's Dogritos! Dogritos! There we go. Sit. There you go, all for you. What's that? It's got like crisp sounds in there, Luna. Oh. I think she likes Dogritos. Nice. I'm very happy with them here. I wonder what it's got inside there, but we don't want to find out, Luna. No, we really don't. No. Should we open another one? I think so. Because you were quite sick. Good animal. Oh, so we've got Dogritos shut at the end. Oh, she likes her piggies. Oh, Luna, you want some cuddles? The fresh air got to you. Oh, passion for pigs. You like that piggy, yeah? Okay, this could be a communication piggy. Yeah. Oh, belly rub. Belly rub. Yeah. I think we do Santa Claus now. All these dog toys are from Timu. Mummy ordered them especially for you, Luna. Sit. It's Mr. Santa. I guess you don't know who Santa is. Sit. 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 Oh! It's like a frisbee.
Remember Carlos when he did a video?
Oh, is that good? No?
He comes back anyway.
Yeah. Is he good? You like Santa? And he's got some rope, because we know how you like your rope toys. Are you camera shy? There you go. I think that's enough. Or should we open another pack of crisps? 2 more and then that's it. Okay, Luna? But we don't want to spoil you. But then again we do. We don't want to spoil you. We've got some Wood-Sits made by Walkies. I love it, yeah. We'll put the crisps over there for you to have a snack. She's in love with Miss Pig, aren't you? You love Miss Pig? Yeah. I think we're ready for a nap now. She's going to go horizontal, I think, in a minute. Too much excitement. She's like, which toy shall I play with first? I'm going to go from Santa to Miss Piggy because she's got a little paw there. This one, I'm not sure how long this will last you, Luna, because it's a Mr. Crab. Oh, it's a lobster, sorry. And it's only dinky. I'm not sure about this one, but you can try it. You can have a snifferoo. See what you think. Anything is chewable here, so you can go to town with the chewing on any of this. Because it's all for you, Luna. All for you. Yeah. Say bye-bye. Oh, go in with your drink. No, back to someone's slippers. Luna, come. Play with your wootsies. You saying goodbye? You saying goodbye? Luna? Too busy playing. Oh, there we go. Oh, have a scratch. Sit down. Sit. 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 Say bye-bye. No, not me at the camera. Bye-bye. Too many toys to play with. Bye.